Hi guys, this is Kadir. Today I show you how to create object constructors in JavaScript as well as prototypes also. I will show you best examples. Keep watching. Okay. First open the editor. Yeah. So first I will create the object constructor function. Okay. So that is we'll write some basic function here. That is write person. Here write some first, last, favorite color. Okay. Insert the right this dot first. This dot last name code last, okay, and this dot color code favorite color. Okay, this is a constructor function. I will create a person object, which is right here, right? So constructor function person, I will write some view object that is a person object. I will write some where user1 called new person object. Here pass some arguments. What is the first name is Khalid. Sorry guys, last name is Mohammed. My favorite color is black. Okay, I will show this output. So here some selector is there, that app, that is the ID. So I will show the browser. Okay, app div dot inner HTML equal user1 dot, I will show you first name. Okay, yeah, here is Khadir showing, right? This is a single object constructor function. So this is the object, a new object creating the constructor function. This is a person object. Okay, this is the single object, right? And person, right, is there person. So it considered good practice to name constructor functions with an uppercase first letter. Okay, if using the best practice uppercase. Okay, if you write new object, then you pass the constructor function, they write the uppercase. So that is a best example. Okay, here this is right. This is a keyword. When used an object is the object itself. Okay, this is the keyword. This is used on the object itself. In a constructor function, this does not have a value. It is substitute for new object. The value of this will become the new object, then a new object is created. This is a not variable, this is a keyword. You cannot change the value of this. So I will show you if sometimes we need to blueprint of or classes for creating many objects of the same type. Objects are the same type are created by calling the constructor function with the new keyword. So if write sometimes we need multiple object constructors, objects with same type. Okay, so here write some another object, that is where user2 object, user2 equal new person. Here mention another first name John, last name is Android. Favorite color is blue, like that. Okay. So this is the multiple. Is right up to n. This is the multiple rights up to n, something like that. Okay. So this is the process. You did not. You not consider function every time. This is the only with the same type value. Here a new function, there is the same argument passed, right? So this is the same type using the first constructor function, use one type of function, that is okay. So then I will show you adding the new property for user1. Okay, user1 dot new property, right, from city, user1 dot city, Hyderabad. Okay, user1 object. Okay, here write city, it can reflect and Hyderabad, right? So this is a Hyderabad, this came. So as well as property and method also passing the objects. I will write the method also, user1 dot full name, got function. Here write the full name method, full name, right? Here Khadir Muhammad. So as it is, I write user1 only, did not write any user2, right? So you write multiple times or multiple objects. Okay, this is the flow. Okay. If you write constructor function, directly you write constructor function, the property. Okay, it's working or not, we'll show you. So we write city. So user1 the city is undefined, right? So this is the problem. So you cannot add property for constructor function directly. You write inside the function is working. Here write inside this dot some city called Hyderabad, then is working. So inside city or outside variable, you can add property or method, but directly you cannot add property for constructor function. So that is the problem. Okay, so this is the process. So here write method also, so same working. JavaScript has built-in constructors for native objects. So this is the example. New object, a new string, new number, a new boolean, new array, new function, new date, right? This is the examples. Okay, now I will show you prototypes, how to handle. All JavaScript objects inherit properties and methods from prototype, you know, right? So you learn how to use object constructor, right? So then how to use prototypes, I will show you. Simple. Here write some city, right? City, that is a not working inside the directly write the object constructor. So constructor function. So that is a not working, undefined. Here some option is there, that is the prototype. So if you write person dot prototype dot city called Hyderabad, so this time working fine. So this prototype help to add property to constructor function, property or method. So directly to write to constructor function this keyword, that is a prototype. So this is the process. So I will show you method also here. Person dot write full name. This is the method, right? Yeah, this is working fine. So you can write prototype, they can be that can be add to constructor function, property or method. So only prototype using. So without using prototype, you cannot add property or method to constructor function directly. and here I will change the name also. Now I will show you change name, how to change name with using the method. Okay, person dot prototype dot change function. Here some parameter is the change name, that is a new name. Okay, right, return is dot first name equals name. Okay, here write username full name, right? So your name, old name. Khadir name, sorry, here write old first name slide Khadir change to name is user1 dot change name of new name is here, right? So new name here, right? What is here? Here, right? New name. What is the new name? Ridak. That here display here, right? Yeah. Khadir changed to new name is Ridak. So this is the process how to use constructors and prototypes in JavaScript. Yeah, briefly explain you. This is a constructor function. This write the constructor function. Okay, so here object, how to this is the person object. Here write multiple objects with the same type, object with the same type. Okay, so you cannot add property or method directly to constructor function. Inside the function you write or mention the username variable to write some property or method. So you cannot write to constructor function. If you write constructor function, then can we use prototype, then it's possible to mention the values or property values or methods. Okay, I thought this is the very helpful. Thank you for watching the video. Keep watching my videos and subscribe to my channel. If you like and comment on the video and share.